Hello everyone, today we are at BLECH India 2025 and right now I am at Neumatica Technologies, one of the leading names in the assembly lines and pressing solutions.
Today I'm going to talk about our fastener insertion machine with a brand name Simplifi. So the early models of these were introduced in 2012 and over 13 years of the innovation, we have over 250 machines deployed across India. They are easy to use, human friendly, operator friendly, as well as cost saving and power saving. Come let us have a look at this machine. It has a sleek design with a robust electrical panel with some of the operator friendly settings as well as simple features, due to which it becomes operator friendly as well as cost saving and at the same time even manpower time saving. So come let us have a demonstration of this machine. So this, as you can see, is a plate with M3 stud, and what we are going to do is insert this stud with the help of the machine. Upon putting it in the machine, I just have to press the foot pedal, and upon which the load acts on the fastener and the fastener gets pressed. And you can also see that the fastener is well pressed and into the sheet. This way we have multiple solutions for multiple fasteners, and as we move forward with innovation, we have one new innovative product as well, but with the auto feeding technology. Come let us have a look. This is our new fastener insertion machine with the auto feeding technology, and we have had amazing footfall and response at BLECH India, and we would like for you to come visit us and have a look at some of the innovative products we have on display. See you at BLECH India. This is me, Elton Joy D'Souza, signing off.